Cut. That's it, I've done it, Mom.
Saya cut. What are you doing?
They're not gonna burn. Put one in, let me try it.
Cook it down there.
It's cooked, Mom. Looks cooked to me. Let me put one in. One.
Not cut, yara.
What? Mom, I'm hungry, Mom.
No.
Oh, sorry. Ow, Mom, that really hurt.
What is this in
Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making chicken pakore, me and my Pakistani mum, since you guys loved the other videos. And if you haven't already, go check out the other 3 videos that me and my mum did together. We made chawal and we made a birthday cake, part 1 and part 2. In it, Mum?
Yeah.
Go and say hi to them, say salam.
iKaiseR.
Okay, so what we're doing first now?
Besan.
What's besan? Just do it, Mom, just do it. Actually, let me do it.
No, do that.
No, I want to do it. Mom, let me do it. Let me do it.
Cut tu bana. Tu bana, मैं ना बनानी, मार को नहीं बनने.
Why?
ये थोड़ा बेसन बाओ.
Let me put some in there.
मारे को ना पूछे कितने पाया because I don't do ounces, I do freelance.
My mom does not do ounces, she only does 3 ounces.
Yeah,
and she gets accent when she speaks Japanese.
मैं measurement मारे को कोनी होए तो ना मैं कता किते.
Can I put my hand in it?
Why? तू आते तो ना कोनी है.
Okay, I washed my hand now. No, I have, it's fine.
Spoon like that.
2 hours later.
सही तो स्पून ला कैसे गंदे हाथ नहीं तो इना तो कल जनानी आसी ते मौत ही दसिया कोई गंदे हाथ ना तू तड़ा आता ई टेटी है तू सही तो हाथ तो
No, I don't want to stand here.
गंदे हाथ तो
No, I just wipe on my clothes.
No.
I just wipe on my clothes. I've got, that's what my clothes for. Yes.
टिश्यू मान और टिश्यू डाल स्पूंज आ सही हाथ स्पूंज ए आ तक ने आ इसकी तको किया जाया
चिनानी वाली नबी.
हां एक कैसे नहीं फ्यूचर वाइफ इसकी मैं दसिया ये कुक करने तो तू आता ना कि तास ना तो मारे मथा ना लाया.
But you're not showing me how to cook anything. I can't even make a proper round roti.
Right, you can कराना.
Okay, what do I do now?
थोड़ा चिकन तंदूरी बा ए मसाला या ना.
Can I smell it? Ow! Mom, that really hurt.
वो कैसे सीख रहा है सर?
Because I just want to smell it, innit? I gotta use all my 5 senses. Wait, you mixed it in everywhere, Mom.
No.
Okay, what's this?
Bit of jeera.
What's jeera? Put it on my hand.
Cumin seed. No.
Cumin seeds. That smells nice. Can I mix it?
Naka.
In, out, shake it all about. Oh, sorry. Okay, what's this?
This is pure red chili.
Okay, guys. Red chili's in now, yeah? Also bad, I don't know what we're gonna do, Mom. We're gonna put in afterwards.
Namak.
What's this? What's that?
Urdu में नमक.
Put it in my hand.
Put it's लून.
Put it in my hand.
English is salt.
Okay, put it in my hand. And look, I'm Salt Bay in it. I washed my hands. You just showed them. Wash my hands.
Legit तक तो नहीं था कोई.
Okay. Mom, I can't find them. Mom, where are they? Guys, they're right here. See, how am I supposed to see that when it's in the drawer? I found the tanya, guys. Here, Mom. Oh.
हमारा फ्रिज पर नहीं
No, I didn't. I forgot to close the drawer inside. Now we're getting the board out. What are we gonna do with this, Mom? No, that's not very nice. Oh, yeah.
You're gonna burn my
oven. Mom!
Chop the tanya.
Okay.
Tanya, cup.
Tanya, cup. Let me do it. Then. Alright. Mom, why are you washing it?
पुट्ठे सवाल कैसा करना है?
I don't know what that means.
पुट्ठे गला पूछना. आहो.
Okay, let me cook it. No, let me cook some now.
Oh, no.
Mom, let me cook some now. No, please. Mom, make this together. Let me cook some.
2 hours later.
Okay, should I just put it like this?
Oh, तरक्की तो काटना.
Let me see it. What? Put it there. It's boring there.
काटना. ये तो को काटना नहीं पे. ये तो को ये बगैरत है. इसकी कोई अकल है? कैसे ने फ्यूचर जनानी इसी को तनिया कपड़े ना पता इसने को लांडी बनवाया है.
But this is literally what you just done.
पूरी तो काट रहा है.
Oh no, that's the wrong way. Like that. Oh, look, Mom, I'm a ninja chef. Look.
सारा ना डोला मैं उन किचन साफ किती ना काट सही काटना.
That is, I say, well.
तू मैं 10 मिनट काट तो करते ही पता है कुड़ी इन्या कट्टी ना तुम्हारे यार तेरी तू कटना से या खेलना से.
I was doing that. You're gonna put your hand. Be careful. Okay, so what do we do with this tanya then? Can I touch it? I've literally washed my hands.
फिर तू गंदा है हाथ ना मार बिच.
Oh, you're putting them in there. My mom's mixing it with all with whatever that is. Okay, guys, let me put it in.
No, तू ज़्यादा बशूर
I won't, let me put it in. Mom, I promise I won't. I won't.
Salt, man, तुम ज़्यादा बशूर से ना.
I won't.
This is chicken, soaked in bit lemon juice. Nah,
Oh,
come on.
sorry. That was just.
तो पानी बना था. फिर ये mix कर.
Alright, let me do it. Let me have a shot.
No.
Go on, Mom. Let me just do it.
खा ला. ज़्यादा पानी बशूर से तू.
Mom, that doesn't even look nice, Mom.
मैं ताज़ सच मारता. बंद कैसे करना है?
It doesn't look nice. It looks so mushy.
नहीं nice ना तो ना खाएं वाला.
So guys, we got the boti here.
सिंगड़ा कैसे हो?
It's
एक पेड़ याद है तो तू सिंगड़े नहीं हर चीज़ है.
the food like, you know, it's got strong smell. That's why I just have.
क्या कर सकते हैं? ना कर.
Okay, I'm joking. So what do we do now? Tell me.
इसी मार अपने सर पर थरक्स. है फिर उन्हें इसकी टर्न अराउंड कर गया है. डांस करेगा थोड़ा जा माशाल्लाह फिर जोर से पकोड़े बरसन माशाल्लाह फिर और फिर थोड़ा हाय
I'm gonna drop it.
So this is the mixture everybody
Actually you do it here.
तू दस ना मैं तक नहीं तू कर
Okay.
सीधे तरह कर रहा है
What do you mean?
खबे तरह कैसे करना सीधे तरह कर सीधे तरह
Oh, you mean right hand?
yes right hand मार लेना
Yeah. Okay.
बा
Oh, that's really slimy.
उसे मिक्स करेंगे सारा गठाएंगे
Yes.
What are you doing? ये चटनी बनाना पे
Oh, it's gonna go mushy, Mom.
सही मिक्स कर जो सारा मसाला
Mom, this is how you do it.
ओ तो मिक्स कर रहा ना कोई पता अरे खाने ना पता ही
Well, how am I supposed to do it then?
मैं दे
No, I want to do it. I want to do it.
छोड़ना
Wait, so is it done now, Mom?
अच्छा कुछ डरना है अच्छा बनासा ना फिर बाद में चीज़ ना put everything back where you got it from.
Okay, so guys, after that you put everything back where you got it from.
Tidy up time in the kitchen.
Okay, guys, we're gonna put this back in the sink.
Yeah, wash.
Do you know when you're cooking, you should like wash it along so then it doesn't go like.
ना साफ करने जाओ मारा पुत्र.
Oh, look at this, Mom. Look at this.
ना.
Oh, sorry.
What are you mama? मारा किचन सारी खराब हो रही है. मारा बच्चा का चिराड़ी आती. मारा करे ना पढ़े भी तो इसे.
Mom, we'll do that after, please, Mom, please. Please.
पढ़े तो.
We need to get. I need to go do some work, so please.
पढ़े तो. 2 मिनट मारा पुत्र सोना अकेला पढ़े तो. Alright,
so guys, you're gonna get the liquid and you're gonna put it on the spoon.
Yeah. थोड़ा डोलना.
No, I think that's enough.
अब बस करना.
Okay. And now I'm gonna rub the liquid into the spoon.
सही तो है ये सारे दाग लाए ये. मैं दसो कुछ तकना चाहिए कैसे टॉयलेट साफ करना.
No.
कमेंट से लिखिए याला. मैं पर्सन कमेंट से जितना है ना कैसे टॉयलेट साफ करा. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर वीडियो बनसी ना और कैसे टोटा साफ कर.
Mom, nobody's gonna comment that. Nobody's gonna.
आला मैं तक नहीं आया तक से हमारी पूछन. कैसे जेव ना लिखा ना जो तू टोटा साफ करे फिर तू टोटा साफ करनी बेसी सॉरी.
No.
चैलेंज है.
Challenge. Okay. Oh, we should do challenges then do forfeits as well then. Like, Mom, you're gonna have to eat a raw egg.
I don't. ये हमारे को नहीं आना. तेल रखो.
Look, guys. So once you wash your hands, you just wipe it on your kapri, yeah.
Now I know.
Okay, guys. Oh.
तेल कर छुड़ी.
Sorry. Alright, guys. So far, we've made the mixture of the pakoreh, which are here, and my mom's put the pan on now. It's gonna be hot, so I'm not even gonna do that. So, Mom, what are we gonna do now, me? Hold it. No, I want to do it. Here, hold it.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys. I've got this. This. Sorry. So, guys, we're gonna get. Can I put 2 or 3 in?
No.
Please.
Oh, you're not the chance,
No, kachani on it. Fine. Yeah. One here, yeah.
एक बार.
More.
Bana.
Alright, guys, we're gonna put more of it in now, yeah.
Oh, एक करके bana.
That's what I'm doing that. So I've got one piece here.
No, एक करके दस.
Okay, now.
एक करना है.
Oh.
एक बार.
Mom, they're so long, man. Okay, there we go.
Oh, bana है कि पूरी रात तक कोनी.
Do you wanna do it?
मिले.
No, I was joking.
Midde.
That was a rhetorical question. Mom, I said just
कैसे रहे तेल है.
Oh, that burned me, Mom.
Good.
Laja.
That's
not very nice. It just like flamed out and it burnt me. Alright, guys, so my mom's gonna do it now because my mom knows it better. And she's gonna get one. Then she's gonna put it in. Go on, Mom. Super Mom.
कहीं पूरी रात था. पूरी रात ही था लासा और मैं चिकन पकोड़े.
No, so maybe chicken pakore khasa. Then put one in. One.
ना करना यार.
What? Mom, I'm hungry, Mom. husband material, yeah. I made all these pakore, my mom didn't make them. And look how nice they look, yeah, look. Oh wow. Alright, go on then, show us what you're doing now, mom.
मैं सरा पर खलती हुई हूँ तो तू को भी सारे खलो सरा पर खली ना तो लता पर करी ना तो डांस करो
That's not a very good explanation.
golden brown
Golden brown. They look golden brown to me.
ना पता है कच्ची ना जा
Okay.
चिकन होनी भी तो कच्ची होनी
Put one in, let me try it.
कुक कता होंगे
It's cooked, mom, looks cooked to me. Alright guys, we're gonna go TikTok live now, just for the rest of this bit, and then I'll show you guys in a minute how it turns out, inshallah, yeah? Follow me on TikTok so you don't miss the lives of me and my mum doing cooking and
so
everything.
everybody look now my chicken pakore are ready to eat cut
That's it, I've done it, mom.
सारे cut no is burning
They're not gonna burn.
खाए
Bismillah.
आज जोर से मार दे बनते हैं
They're very... I spit a blow it out. Bismillah, bismillah. Me and my mom are gonna make a video every single day now. Every single day for the next 30 days we're gonna upload a video. Making pakore, making whatever. Q&A. If we get 10,000 subscribers, we'll do Q&A inshallah. We ask us questions, innit mom? Yeah. Here's the pakore and they smell really nice. Because obviously my wedding vlog will be up soon. Go check out my other videos with my mom. Tell me in the comments if you guys want more videos and everything. On that note, peace.
Morning and